Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at some cleaning robots, and maybe we'll get the big ones out of the way so we can play with the small ones. Let's start with the gutter robot over here, and basically I have the whole case that comes with the gutter cleaning robot down here with the batteries, the charger, the attachments. In fact, there's a spare battery. Here's your iRobot Luge gutter cleaning robot. And basically it's just what it sounds like. You take this guy when he's got his battery installed, and there's a brush head that goes on the front there that you can see pictured here, and that goes into this, which is motor driven, and the treads are motor driven. And then here are your controls, and basically you just set that inside the gutter at your house, and it flings everything that's in the gutter out, just pitches as it tank drives through the whole thing. So there's your gutter cleaning robot. You stop, we're going on to something else right now. Let's take a look at, if I can get this tightened up. Here's the Roomba. And on the gutter cleaning robot, it was gifted to me by some family members, but the Roomba found on Craigslist for free because it needed a new battery and they didn't want to spend the money on it. And I think we're all familiar with that. This is the Roomba Pro with its brushes, and the battery would go there. I don't think we need to say much more about the Roomba. Let's move on to the toys, because they're more fun. So what have we got sitting here? Can't see the camera, I don't know what I'm looking at. Alright, here we go. Let's look at the little wind-up guy here first. We have a little wind-up. I'm going to look and see if it says anything on here that might be of interest. Made in China. I know his head moves, he walks, and his brush moves. You wind him up. Kind of frantic. Good little cleaner. Walks sideways as he or she, as the case may be. It's a robot. I don't think there is a he or a she. Then we have two versions of the Dustbot. One that was packaged more in Japanese, the Soji, and then in America it was sold under the name Dustbot. And they both take two C-cell batteries, and there's an actual vacuum cleaner in here where it sucks up whatever it drives over. The little brush that moves back and forth is for looks, as is the flashing light. But once it's full of stuff, then you actually empty the chamber out to get the garbage out of it there. The unique thing about the design is it's not only non-fall, but it's also bump and go. So you can just kind of turn it on and let it go. Or supposedly, we'll find out, it's coming near the edge. Yep, it turned away. Then if it bumps into something like my finger, it'll turn again, turn again. Trying to push the box isn't very heavy. And the whole time it's doing all this, I can feel the breeze. It's actually sucking through here and the air is being blown out there. And the Soji, other than the fact that it says Soji, and of course these were made by Tomy back in the 1980s, works exactly the same way. He's got little flat spots on his wheels where he's sat for so many years. I didn't notice that. I wonder if that'll affect it. Yeah, it does. Kind of gives him a waddle. But he must have sat in somebody's collection or on a store shelf where it was warmer. Those could be replaced though. By the way, I can tell that the rubber is snapped around the plastic drive shaft. I could put in rubber O-rings in place of those original rubbers and get that working. I wonder if there's anything in this garbage disposal. Nope, clean on the inside. So I don't think it had ever been used from when I bought it. Let's look at this guy's wheels while we got him out here. Where was the switch? Oh, on top of the head. No, his wheels are all nice and round. No flats there on the American version. And on the boxes, here's your Dustbot one. Regularly at Radio Shack, it was $14.95. I think I got it for less. Here it is, cleaning up some stuff. Yeah, sell price $9.99. This one manufactured. Oh, even though Tomy is Japanese, this one says manufactured in China for Radio Shack. Tandy Corporation. Let's take a look at the other box. So it definitely says Tomy. Then of course we won't be able to read anything else. Got some different pictures. Pictures of a nice red one. Patented. This one was made in Japan. So there you have it. 2 Dustbots, a Soji, a Roomba, and a gutter cleaning robot. Not to mention our little friend.